Kinetik Wellbeing have developed a range of accurate, simple to use and affordable blood pressure monitors.
The monitors are fully automatic and work at the push of a button. They're clinically validated, they measure on inflation for fast and accurate readings, they have universal cuffs and irregular heartbeat detection. The fully automatic blood pressure monitor has a reading memory allowing you to store 90 results.
The Advanced Blood Pressure Monitor X2 Comfort has a comfort cuff which is moulded to fit your arm.
It also has a 3-user memory or family mode which allows each user to store up to 60 readings. Both models come with a blood pressure monitor and batteries, a cuff for your arm, a quick start guide and a user manual.
Step 1. Relax. Rest for 5 minutes before taking your blood pressure. Don't eat or drink anything beforehand. Step 2. Apply the cuff. Use your left arm, making sure to remove any thick clothing, and rest your arm on a hard surface. Step 3. Press start. Don't talk and relax as the cuff inflates. Step 4. Repeat. Record your first reading, then take 2 or 3 additional readings, each about 2 minutes apart, and then work out the average. Step 5. Monitor. It's a good idea to check your blood pressure regularly. If you're concerned about your reading, speak to a GP.